Coulomb's law in scalar form. Force between 2-point charges. According to this law, if 2-point charges are kept some distance apart in vacuum or in medium, an electrostatic force acts between them, which may be attractive or repulsive in nature, whose magnitude is directly proportional to the magnitude of two charges and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. If the two charges are kept q1, q2 and the distance between them is r, then the force is directly proportional to q1 and q2 and force is inversely proportional to the 1 upon r square. F is directly proportional to the q1 q2 by r square, so F is equal to k into q1 q2 by r square. K की वैल्यू is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught is equal to the 9 into 10 to the power 9 in SI unit and 1 in Celsius unit. Unit of K is Newton meter square upon Coulomb square, and the formula of force is equal to the 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q1 q2 by r square, and the unit of force is Newton. In vacuum or in air, this formula is applicable. Epsilon naught is equal to the permittivity of free space. Epsilon naught value is equal to 8.85 into 10 to the power minus 12 Coulomb square upon Newton meter square. If we are talking in a medium, then the force between the two charges placed in medium is equal to the F is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught K q1 q2 by r square. K is dielectric constant of the medium, while epsilon is equal to K epsilon naught. Epsilon is equal to the permittivity of medium and force equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon q1 by q2 by r square. If we are taking epsilon r is equal to K, then is epsilon r is equal to known as relative permittivity of a medium, then the value of K is equal to the epsilon upon epsilon naught. If epsilon is equal to the epsilon naught, then epsilon r is equal to the epsilon upon epsilon naught. Some values of K which are used in numericals: if the value of K is equal to 1 for vacuum, K is equal to 1.006 for air, K is nearly equal, absolute equal to 1 for vacuum or air, K is equal to 81 for H2O water, K is equal to 5 for insulator, K is equal to infinite for pure metal, K is greater than 1 for all dielectrics. It is a very important note: force between two charges decreases on introducing a medium between the two charges. Some relations which are very useful for the solving of numericals is F is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught K q1 q2 by r square. So by this formula, F is directly proportional to the q1 into q2. So if we are taking the ratio f1 upon f2, then it is q1 into q2 upon q1 dash into q2 dash. F is inversely proportional to the 1 upon r square. f1 upon f2 is equal to the r2 upon r1 का whole square. F is inversely proportional to the 1 upon k, so that f1 upon f2 is equal to the k2 upon k1.